affiliate marketing tips when it comes to creating products. Creating your first product is what I'm going to share with you in this video. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. Thanks for tuning in. If you don't have the money when launching products, then my recommendation is, as you can see here, as a free member you can have 3 funnels, 2,000 contacts, 1 community, 1 blog, and 1 now I'm gonna be transparent with this, with building your list and so on, and building funnels. Yes, you can collect leads, you can set up stunning capture pages and so on, but you cannot email them until you upgrade. But more about that later. But if you have some other way to email them, then yeah, you can choose to do that. But anyway, to get started, enter your email address here and then choose a password, and then you are good to go pretty much. But mention that when you log in, you might have to enter a login code. This is a security measure that Systeme.io has, and that code will be emailed to the email address you have registered with, and then you just enter it and click on a button, and then you will be headed to the dashboard. As I said moments ago, email your contacts, your leads that you generate to this free system as a free member. However, if you, for instance, would like to set up a product, a digital product at Warrior Plus, for instance, you can do so because you're allowed to, and it costs you no money. And besides, you get access to top-notch sales page themes to choose from as well. That it's very easy to edit. It's a drag and drop feature. It's worth it to up. So here you have the different options. The free plan is called free. We have another plan that's called webinar, then it will cost you $59 a month, and then we have the unlimited plan for $121 a month. But let's now dive into how to create a funnel. If you have created some funnels before, you will see them here, but to create, just click on create, and then you give it a name. Here's a subdomain. If you don't want to buy a domain name, you can use the one you get from the system. And here you choose what you want to do. Do you want to build your list, or build an audience? Do you want to sell a product, or so on? And evergreen webinar, you click that. But okay, let's say that we want to sell a product, and here you choose the currency that you get paid with, and when you have chosen that, you just click on save. Here is a theme for a landing page that I require from another marketer through a sharing code, but the principle IO, you will have a menu with all the tools you can add, features you can add here. As you can see, image, video, audio, carousel with pictures, and like I told you, you can add Warrior Plus buy buttons, or some other websites that where you can sell your product you can enter that into the setting of the page, but you just left click it and drag it to the page like this. And this will appear. HTML it says. And then you just click it, and then you just paste in the code you got from the provider of where you're gonna have your product for sale. And then you just click on edit code. You can just mark this, and then you just paste in the code you have received and then save. Now, would you like to enjoy $300 days without knowing anything about any difficult, complicated marketing tactics? Then click the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.